And the president says unemployment benefits boost the economy, but that man, Stuart Varney, can prove the president is wrong.
Well, the president said to take his push for income equality or inequality to the podium tomorrow night in his State of the Union speech. Included in that agenda, a fight to extend unemployment benefits that he claims are actually good for the economy.
There's still a lot of people who are struggling. And in fact, if we don't provide unemployment insurance, it makes it harder for them to find a job. But there's an economic case for it as well. Independent economists have shown that extending emergency unemployment insurance actually helps the economy, actually creates new jobs.
But do these jobless benefits really create jobs? Stuart Varney is here with details. What do you think?
I say no. And I'm backed up by an academic study of what happened in North Carolina. In that state, they reduced the time that you can get unemployment benefits, and they reduced the level of unemployment benefits. And guess what? The unemployment rate went down. More people flooded back into the labor force, and the number of active workers went up.
So as soon as their benefits ran out, they went out and got a job.
They went out and got a job. Now, the president says you've got to flood the economy with money. Whether it's food stamps or unemployment benefits, doesn't matter. Just flood the economy with money, and you will create jobs. The North Carolina study suggests the exact opposite.
Right, proves it otherwise.
Well, there's a lot of politics involved here. The president, as you just saw, is making the case that if you don't extend unemployment benefits, a lot of people are hurting, you are harsh. You're being nasty to people. You're harsh. That's a political point of view designed to make the Republicans who are saying no to extending unemployment benefits, make them look harsh. That's pure politics.
Good guy, bad guy here. What about incentive? In North Carolina, incentive played a major role.
That's it. Incentivize people to go back into the workforce. Take what you can get because it is a job. It may not be the job that you really want, but take it and get yourself off unemployment.
You know what I would say? I don't think it didn't come up with a study. But if you told me I lost my job and I have unemployment for 6 months, 3 months, 9 months, 12 months, I know that's happening. I can plan accordingly. I know when to blitz at a certain time. I can plan a strategy. Of course, you want a job the next day. But you know in the back of your head, they're just going to keep extending it, extending it, extending it. I got 2 years, maybe 2.5 years.
It's a
What's
trap.
the rush, you're saying?
It is a trap. Right now, you get food stamps, you get cash, and you get extended unemployment benefits. If you take a job, you lose some of those benefits. You could say that economically, you lose. So extending benefits constantly is really bad for the economy. And it points out the underlying failure of the president's policies to create jobs.
Right. You should have your own show. In fact, you do at 9:20, Varney and Company on the Fox Business Network.
I want to be named New Jersey Man of the Year, but it's not going to happen.
Listen, we'll put you in every year. We'll see what happens.
Thank you.
But, you know, back to your original topic, Kramer versus Kramer. Remember Dustin Hoffman had to quickly get a job in order to get custody of his son, and he just grabbed anything he got. He was underemployed, but it mattered
That's
more
what you remember about the movie?
Incentive.
Yeah,
You're
that's
making
what I
the
did.
point about incentive.
Thank you.
To quickly get a job? That's a split infinitive. Where's your grammar?
I split it in infinitive?
Yes, you
What
did.
is wrong with me?
Infinitely
Awful.
so. Yeah.
Stuart, thank you very much.
Well, that was fun.
Thank you, Stuart. Well,